Hey you. Aaron, are you combing your hair? Can you comb your hair? Are you brushing your teeth? Oh, very good. That's pretty. Yeah. Hey, is that a monkey? Where's a monkey? Where's a monkey? Good girl. Hey, Aaron, how old are you? How old are you? Are you so big? Aaron, are you gonna be one? You see Mama? You gonna be one? Mama, Mama. Oh, very good. Okay, I love you. Bye. Bye. Thank you.